In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to change the Suica app to English and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you are trying to acquire a digital Suica card, you might be wondering if it is possible to translate the Suica app, which is completely in Japanese, to English. Maybe as a tourist you are going to be staying in Japan for a while, you would like to get the English version of the app to manage your digital Suica card. If you go into the App Store and you look for Suica, you will only be able to find the Japanese app. As it stands today, there used to be the English Suica application known as Suica Eng, as you can see on screen. However, this version was removed from the App Store and it became obsolete. So as of today, is there any workaround to this and any method to translate the Suica app in its entirety? Sadly, as it stands today, and as you might expect, it is impossible to change the Suica app to English. The main Suica app, which is available only on Japan, only comes in Japanese and there is no option to change it to English. As of today, because of the fact that you are able to easily link your Suica card to an Apple Wallet or even a Google Wallet if your phone is from Japan, they do not offer the option to change the app to English. It is expected that if you are going to be traveling to Japan and you don't use the latest version of the Suica app, maybe because you don't speak fluent Japanese, you will be using the Apple Wallet or Google Wallet versions of the digital card instead. So as of today, they do not offer you the option to change the Suica app to English. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that the Suica English app was discontinued and the Suica Japanese app does not give users the option to change to English. All that they have to do is, instead of using the app, just go directly to your wallet of choice and manage the card from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Suica app to English. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.